Good Wednesday evening, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We're going to do a quick walk around for our midweek review. Show everybody what we got done, what's going on. We'll just start over here in the paint booth. Got the big Dodge with the roof skin in here. Got it painted, get it dried. We'll start putting it back together. Nissan over here on this side. Alan's been doing some wheeling and buffing on it. We got the hood just about ready for paint. I'll show you in a minute. But remember we painted the doors, fender bedside. Alan done some buffing on it, cleaned it up. We should be ready to start assembling this door. We'll get it all assembled and put together. Get that hood painted. We got a little Copart vehicle over here. Let's walk over here and show you it. Right here's a little Nissan doing some work on rear bumper, deck lid corner. Got it coming along nice. Show you this Jeep come from Copart. Looks kind of like it ran up under something. Nice little Jeep Cherokee. You can see how it just kind of peeled everything. Peeled it back like that. Not a bad looking old car. I cannot remember the miles right offhand. See if we can see down in it. Good looking car inside and out. Like I said, Jeep Cherokee. Now we'll walk over here in the shop and see what we got going on. Little Toyota still up on the lift. We got everything pulled over on it, ready to what do you call, repair and paint. We just got it still sitting up there till we can get it in the shop. We got the convertible inside, pulled all the insides out of it, getting the metal ready to paint, the dash, the doors. Hey Drake, where's your instrument cluster? Drake's working on this Camaro hood here. Where's your instrument cluster? Where'd you hide it?
It's in the office.
Oh, well, it's in the office, so y'all won't get to see it this week, maybe next week.
Yeah.
But anyway, got the insides out of it, painting everything on it. Drake's working on the Camaro hood. Got the doors on the F100, getting everything fitted and getting it lined up, I guess you call it.
Yeah,
There's the Nissan hood. He's getting it blocked down, ready for paint. The Honda is just about all the way together. We got the insides back in it. I think all we like is the sun visors and bolting the hood on it. And then this thing will be ready to send off the paperwork for inspection. Finally going somewhere on the transmission on the blue truck. Got it back in, got it crunked, took reverse. So far it'll take reverse. Now we'll just get where we can get it out. We'll back it out and drive it down the road, see how everything does. Evidently there's a difference in the flywheel if you have an E4OD and a AOD. This flywheel has more of a, I don't know what you call it, an offset to it. It makes the converter fit too tight to the converter when you bolt the transmission in. So we put an older model flywheel on it. Converter clears, got everything bolted up. Like I said, did crank it, did take reverse. Just waiting to get where we can get it out. Camaro, like I said, is sitting here ready for final blocking. He's working on the hood, getting the hood and the deck lid, all that ready now, and the doors. I think the doors are ready. So that's about what we got going on. The little Nissan Sentra, or Altima, Silver Altima, did get it inspected. It's ready for sale. Runs out nice, good looking car. Hopefully the Nissan and this Honda will be able to send the paperwork off to them either Friday or next week, first next week. That's what we got going on here at 256 Garage. Check us out.